pero kung di po ba historically speaking, talagang atin naman yan. So ano pang problema? Ba't kailangan ba mas matapang? Kailangan ba mas malaki ang bansa? Kailangan ba mas may gigil or may sarili tayong palo para talagang sabihin nating atin yan eh. Huwag kayong makialam.
That is correct. That is why we have this bill and we want this to become law because tayo mismo nagde-declare through a law, a statute, that ito ay atin. What are the sovereignty? 12-mile economic zone. What are sovereign rights? Ibang sovereignty, ibang sovereign rights. But even for sovereign rights like the exclusive economic zone, 200 miles, you have the right to prevent the vessel of a foreign country without permission to enter. Yun ang ginagawa ngayon. Pumapasok sa ating 200 mile ang Chinese naval at saka coastal vessels and their fishing vessels. And they are trying to stop our own fishermen in fishing in our own waters, in our exclusive economic zone. Yan ang issue.